Hey, welcome everyone. Today we are going to work on this picture, and on this channel I'm showing the raw process of editing and shooting photos. So we can take a look how the entire process looks like without any additional fluff. So let's start with this picture. Take black and white to understand the overall exposure. As you see, this entire picture is pretty much flat. So what I would do is I will work to increase the overall contrast of this. So we cannot go up with the exposure because the clouds over here are already overexposed. So mostly I will just correct the blacks and do slight adjustment over here and try to go down with whites, restoring the clouds. As you see, when we are touching highlights, right now we have some details of the sky. Okay, so let's start with that. Right now we have maybe roughly a good sky, but the front of the picture is definitely too dark. So I will try to just select the sky to divide those two elements that we need to work with, and that might be pretty much difficult because we have a lot of palm trees over here. But it did very well. So let's duplicate and invert mask. So for the front, we'll try to just increase the exposure. It's fine for now that it's still pretty much flat. And for the back of the picture, let's try to play it a little, just like this. Very nice. And I'm lowering color temperature to get this nice blue sky, to extract this nice blue sky. Okay, let's go back to the front of the picture, and now what I'm going to do is I'll increase the clarity, increase some dehaze. So as you see, I'm getting very nice contrast of those front status. Okay, like this. A little more brightness and some contrast as well. Okay, check before and after. Okay, it looks pretty nice. So now, after we finish correction of the exposure and tones, I would like to play a little with the color grading. So I will start with highlights, and I want to make them a little more yellow. And for the low lights, I will make them on the opposite side. So this little blue, just like this. And I want to add a little more clarity to the picture and some contrast. Okay, this is what I was looking for. There is a good contrast. We rescued the sky, which was too bright at the beginning. As you see, there were no information in clouds, but we lowered the overexposure and played a little with the color grading, so it has a slightly different vibe than the default colors. So make sure to subscribe so you'll not miss new tutorials that I'm posting at least 3 times a week. Thanks.